Hello again, amazing learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You are making wonderful progress. You already know 200 useful words. Today we'll learn about travel and holiday, words you use when you go on trips, vacations, or fun adventures. Grab your notebook, relax, and let's travel with English words together. Plane is a big vehicle that flies in the sky. Plane. Say it with me. Plane. Airport is the place where planes take off and land. Airport. Repeat after me. Airport. Ticket is the paper or card you need to travel. Ticket. Say it clearly. Ticket. Passport is a small book with your photo. You need it to travel to other countries. Passport. Let's repeat. Passport. Suitcase is a box or bag where you keep clothes for a trip. Suitcase. Say it with me. Suitcase. Hotel is a place where people sleep when they travel. Hotel. Repeat slowly. Hotel. Map shows places, roads, and directions. Travelers use maps to find their way. Map. Say it clearly. Map. Bus is a large vehicle that carries many people on roads. Bus. Let's practice. Bus. Train is a long vehicle that moves on tracks. Trains carry people and goods. Train. Say it with me. Train. Ship is a large boat that travels on the sea. Ship. Repeat after me. Ship. Beach is land near the sea with sand or stones. Beach. Say it clearly. Beach. Island is a piece of land with water all around it. Island. Let's repeat. Island. Travel means going from one place to another. Travel. Say it with me. Travel. Holiday means a time when you rest or go on a trip. Holiday. Repeat slowly. Holiday. Tourist is a person who visits another place for fun. Tourist. Say it clearly. Tourist. Guide is a person who shows tourists around. Guide. Let's say it together. Guide. Camera is a machine that takes photos. Camera. Say it with me. Camera. Souvenir is a thing you buy to remember a trip. Souvenir. Repeat after me. Souvenir. Adventure means an exciting trip or experience. Adventure. Say it clearly. Adventure. Journey means traveling from one place to another. Journey. Let's practice. Journey. Closing. Excellent work. You now know 220 words in our basic 1000 English words journey. Next time, we'll learn 20 more words about verbs. Thinking. Comment below. Where would you like to travel one day? Keep practicing every day and your English will grow stronger.